Hi guys, today we are in Seat Ateca, well, Cupra Ateca in fact, but I believe the principle is the same. So let me show you where are the cabin fuses in this vehicle. And they are hidden behind this plastic cover. What you need to do is release the steering column lock, put your finger over here, pull it gently on this side as well, and it will just come off, and you will see that the cabin fuse box is over here. This 20 amp yellow gold one is the cigarette lighter, so I believe this is the most frequently replaced one. And also you can notice that you can place it like this or a little bit higher. There are 3 pins to connect this 2-pin fuse, and depending on which position you choose, if you use the middle and lower or middle and higher, you will have ignition hot cigarette lighter or permanently hot cigarette lighter. Just a fun fact. Okay, so here we are. This is where's the cabin fuse box in Seat Ateca. And I believe that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.